Sarsaparilla is commonly found growing in South America and used for centuries as a natural health remedy for various health ailments. However, I use sarsaparilla for its distinct minty, wintergreen, and licorice flavors. To make sarsaparilla cold brew concentrate, I use 25 grams of ground sarsaparilla, 600 ml of distilled water, and 100 grams of organic Arabica coffee beans from Colombia, roasted to about a medium. I coarsely ground the beans in a wet, dry spice mill and added them to the distilled water and sarsaparilla soaking liquid. I added a tight-fitting lid and gave the jar a shake to distribute the contents, but I do this only once. I left the jar undisturbed in the fridge for 20 hours to let the coffee brew without disturbing the sediment on the bottom of the jar. After about 6 hours, I checked the jar to see what was happening and found the grinds were floating on top. My theory is that the grinds filter through the water and deposit themselves on the bottom of the glass jar when the extraction is over, so there is little to no benefit to shaking the jar more than once. After the extraction has completed, I strain the concentrate through a fine mesh coffee filter, leaving the grinds in the jar. This cold brew coffee tastes great without adding any sugar. To serve, I filled a 16-ounce mason jar with ice, added 60 ml of sarsaparilla cold brew concentrate, topped the jar with cold distilled water, added a lid, and gave the jar a good shake. This sarsaparilla cold brew concentrate recipe gave a yield of 375 milliliters, enough for about 6 coffees, and was still lively for days after it was made.